Good morning, students. Today we start the unit application of derivatives. Application of derivatives. Already we have the idea on the derivatives for the function y equal to f of x. Now in this class, okay, we just start the unit application of derivatives. In that, now I am starting the unit. Topic is tangent and normal. Okay, in this unit today our topic is tangent and normal. Okay, suppose let y equal to f of x be a curve. Okay, for example, here I am taking the curve like this. Okay, so what is this curve? Y equal to f of x. In this curve we are having the different points. Okay, we are having many points on this curve. Suppose here I am considering a point px1 comma y1. That means let px1 comma y1, let px1 comma y1 be a point on the curve y equal to f of x. Okay, so I'm just taking like this. Curve is okay, you can take y equal to f of x for our convenience. Here let px1 comma y1. So at this point, suppose if I take this one. Okay, suppose this is the point px1 comma y1. Okay, so this is called a tangent line. At that point, okay, it touches the point. Okay, suppose it is passing through the origin. Okay, you can take another also. Sometimes the curve passing through the origin, sometimes it is not passing through the origin. No problem, according to our diagram and condition. Okay, so this is the tangent equation. So at that point, suppose if we take the perpendicular line to the tangent, this is called, what is that? Normal equation. Okay, tangent equation and normal equation both are touches the point at what is that? Px1 comma y1. Px1 comma y1. Okay, that means the point lies on the tangent and normal at that point. Okay, right. So let px1 comma y1 be the point on the curve y equal to f of x. Okay, suppose if we find dy by dx, that means derivative of y with respect to x. Suppose at this point at px1 comma y1, after finding the derivative value, if you put px1 comma y1, that means in the place of x, x1, in the place of y, y1. So this value I am considering, that value is slope. Okay, so here m is the slope of tangent. Okay, here what is called m is the slope of the tangent. So what is the m? Dy by dx at that point. Which point now? We are considering px1 comma y1. Okay, so minus 1 by m is the slope of normal. That means already we discussed this content in the straight lines. Suppose tangent slope is m, normal slope is minus 1 by m. If you multiply both the values, both are perpendicular. If you multiply both the values, m get cancelled, you will get the minus 1. Understand? So m is the slope of the tangent, then minus 1 by m is the slope of normal. Normal slope is minus 1 by m. M is the slope of the tangent. Okay, right. So tangent slope, this slope is, okay, here I am taking that slope is, what is that, m, this line slope is, okay, here the slope is, what is that, minus 1 by m. Okay, according to our straight line concept, it is passing through the point p x1 comma y1. This slope, the line of the tangent slope is m. Now you have the slope and point. What is the tangent equation? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, here I am writing that tangent equation, what is that, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, next, normal equation, normal equation. So y minus y1 equal to, what is the normal slope, minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Okay, so these are the main topic of tangent equation, normal. Okay, so here tangent slope, if you know the tangent slope, easily you can get the normal slope also. Okay, so here m is called, what is that, tangent slope. Minus 1 by m is called normal slope. Tangent equation and normal equation, this is the rough diagram for this concept. Here y equal to f of x with a curve. Suppose you can consider any one point p x1 comma y1. Suppose here if you take p x1 comma y1 like that, you can take the tangent normal like that. Okay, tangent means compulsory, it touches that curve at the your preferred point. Understand, like that. So this is our concept of tangent and normal. Okay, in this concept anywhere you can consider like this only. That means you compulsory, that means if you want to find the tangent equation or normal equation, what the value we have to need, m value. M value means tangent slope. If you know the m value, easily you can find the normal slope also, tangent and normal equations also. Okay, so our needed value is m. What is the m means, dy by dx at our preferred point p x1 comma y1. In the different questions they are giving the different points. Okay, so this is our concept. Now we just discuss some problems. Okay, in this, y equal to 2x cube minus x square plus 2. Okay, at 1 by 2 comma 2, find tangent equation comma normal equation. Okay, tangent equation and normal equation we have to find at this point for the curve, this one. Okay, in the solution you just take like this, y equal to given 2x cube minus x square plus 2. Okay, so dy by dx value, so 2 into 3x square minus 2x. Okay, so dy by dx equal to 6x square minus 2x. So dy by dx at which point, 1 by 2 comma 2. At this point I am taking m value, that means 6 into, in the place of x you are having 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole square minus 2 into 1 by 2, 2 get cancelled here. Okay, so 6 into 1 by 4 minus 1, 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja. So 3 by 2 minus 1, 3 by 2 minus 1 means 1 by 2, 3 by 2 minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 2 by 2, so 1 by 2. So m value is, what is that, 1 by 2. Okay, tangent slope equal to, what is that, 1 by 2. Normal slope minus 1 by 1 by 2, So this value equal to minus 2. Okay, now we have to find the tangent equation, normal equation. Tangent equation is y minus y1. This one is x1 comma y1. What is the y1? 2 equal to m into, okay, otherwise you just write down like this, m into x minus x1. Now you just submit y minus 2 equal to, what is that, 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2. Okay, so y minus 2 equal to 1 by 2 into 2x minus 1 by 2. Okay, here you are having 4. You just multiply this value, 4y minus 8 equal to 2x minus 1. So 2x minus, what is that, 4y, 2x minus 4y minus 1 plus 8 plus 7 equal to 0. Okay, tangent equation is this one. Okay, right, tangent equation is this one. Next, normal equation is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So y minus 2 equal to, what is that, minus 1 by m value. So this value equal to minus 2 into x minus, what is the x1, 1 by 2. Okay, so y minus 2 equal to minus 2x, minus into minus plus, okay, 1 by 2 into 2, 1. So I will take that 2x plus y minus 1 minus minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 equal to 0 is normal equation. Okay, so this is our concept, tangent equation and normal equation. I am just putting this equation in the box. Okay, tangent equation and normal equation. If you have the doubt, just take that both are perpendicular. You just take this slope minus a by b. Okay, minus 2 by minus 4. So what is that, minus 2 by minus 4? 1 by 2. Here minus 2 by b value 1 minus 2. Okay, you are getting that. Both the slopes are perpendicular. So this is the tangent equation and this one is the normal equation. Okay, don't forget our concept, tangent equation and normal equation. According to this, the problems are made. Okay, so to find the tangent equation and normal equation, first our needed value is m. M means, what is the means, dy by dx at the given point x1 comma y1. Don't forget that. Okay, according to that you just solve the problems. Okay, right, thank you.